Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking keto coffee. I have laid down all the ingredients that we need today, but before diving into how to make keto coffee, I'm gonna tell you what is keto and who can drink these type of keto coffees. So what is keto? Keto or ketosis or ketogenic diet means decreasing your carbohydrate content and increasing the fat and the protein content. Usually, keto coffee is consumed by people who are on a ketogenic diet strictly, but if you want to have an essence of how keto coffee tastes, go ahead and make one for yourself. That won't hurt. But if you are planning to suddenly get into a keto diet and lose a lot of weight, that is not going to happen overnight. Rather, it could just be the opposite. So if you want to go ahead and get into this keto coffee or a ketogenic diet, then please go ahead, talk to your dietitian or nutritionist. Keto coffee or bulletproof coffee is usually made with grass-fed butter, ghee and MCT oil. MCT means medium chain triglyceride. For keto coffee, the kind of butter that is usually being used is the grass-fed butter. So this is the one I'm using today. I'm bringing it close to the camera. This is a Kerrygold butter. Now, what is the meaning of grass-fed butter? Butter that is obtained from the milk, which means cows that eat grass. Nutritional value is usually high in grass-fed butter. The ghee that I'm using, so this is the one that I get from my local store, and it's basically cow ghee. So this is really good for your body as it consists of good fat. Now, another quick tip that I want to give you today. Now, I have seen a lot of people who are really into a lot of gym, exercise and working out twice a day, thrice a day. That is good. But guys, remember, if you have to lose fat from your body, you have to eat fat. So decreasing the fat content from your body is directly proportional to intake of fat content to your body. So that is really important. So coming back to how we are making the keto coffee today. So the ghee that I showed you, you can use any kind of ghee which is easily available in your local market. Then this is the butter that I'm using, and another thing that I'm going to show you is MCT oil. Now you can directly buy MCT oil from the market. If not, you can get good quality coconut oil. There are several kind of coconut oil that I usually get from market, or I would order online from Amazon. So I've got two in here. This is Viva Naturals. I would usually use the organic ones. And then another is I have this Carrington organic coconut oil. This is a cooking oil as well, so you can consume it just like this, or you can consume it via cooking or baking. Bringing it close to the camera, if you can see, it contains MCTs. This is what we are looking for in order to make keto coffee. And definitely I have got my carafe, my favorite. So I've got some brewed coffee in here. I already did it this morning. I'm gonna use it today. Now you can use any coffee of your choice. You can also use instant coffee, but let me tell you, the nutritional value is going to be a little low if you're using instant coffee to make your keto coffee. So it's always advisable to use filter coffee here. Keto coffee aids in weight loss. It increases metabolism, it keeps you full for about 2 to 3 hours, and it will cut down on the snacking that you would usually do if you have a low breakfast or you just have a regular coffee. For me, how it works is I'm not on a keto diet, but I would like to drink this kind of coffee maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. I drink keto coffee because it keeps me full. It really keeps me full for 2 to 3 hours, because you have like 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee MCT oil, butter getting into the brewed coffee, more you increase the fat and protein content in your body, the more full you kind of feel. And for me, the best thing about keto coffee is it is a full breakfast for me. Even if I'm not having my regular eggs or bread or oats, coffee is a very good alternative for me. Another greater benefit of drinking keto coffee, so it's high in omega-3 fatty acids and it boosts your heart health as well. The best time to drink ketogenic coffee is early morning. Well, you can certainly drink it any time of the day, but if you're really looking for benefits to add to your body in terms of weight loss, in terms of metabolism, in terms of good health, then morning is the best time to have a bulletproof coffee. The keto coffee that I'm going to show you today is the basic one. It's very simple and you can make it every morning. You can also experiment by adding sweeteners, stevia, vanilla extract, some spices like cinnamon, pumpkin. You can make macchiatos, you can make mocha out of it. But today I'm gonna show you the very basic one with ghee or butter or MCT oil. And then you can experiment it on your own. Alright, so let's dive into the recipe. To make the keto coffee, I am using ghee today. We need freshly brewed coffee, pouring it in a mug. You can also use instant coffee to make this, but filter coffee gives you better results. I'm gonna go ahead and add ghee to the filter coffee now. This is about 1 tablespoon of ghee. I'm gonna add the ghee to the filter coffee and I'm using a mini whisker which I have to blend it all up and give a smooth and luscious look and feel to it. You guys can also use a larger blender or a mixer, but I would normally use this one, and then I have another blender which I'm going to show you. It's very important that you use a strong blender because you have to make sure that the butter or the ghee that you are using gets mixed up with the coffee properly. The ghee goes into the brewed coffee. Now we are going to mix it all up. You have to be a little patient when you are using the whisker because it normally takes about 4 to 5 minutes to get a rich color texture to it. And in order to save time, I'm going to go ahead and use the blender. You will see a fine change in color going rapidly. This goes inside the blender. We are going to blend it in a high speed, and you will gradually see the change in the color happening. I'm using a Magic Bullet today. You can use any blender of your choice, but make sure it's a high-speed one. Pouring it out in a mug. Voila! Bulletproof coffee or your keto coffee is ready to serve. Enjoy! If you like this video, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next vlog.